In the 2017 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, first aid kit, leather shift knob, cargo net. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.